Come on, friends, let us subscribe. Subscribed? Thank you. Today we are going to revise 100 objective questions which will come in coming online examination. Let us start. Question number 101. Where DC compound motors are preferred? Answer. D. Constant speed under varying load requirements. 102. What is the necessity of starter for DC motor? Answer. D. Limit the armature current. 103. 103. Which type of instrument is used to test the armature winding? Answer. B. Growler. 104. Why the holding coil of a 3-point starter is connected in series with shunt field? Answer. D. To protect the motor from high speed. 105. What is the best method to change the direction of rotation of a compound motor without change of its characteristics? Answer. A. Change armature current direction. 106. What is the purpose of no volt coil connected in series with the field in 3-point starter? Answer. D. To prevent increase in speed. 107. Which type of DC motor is used for sudden application of heavy loads? Answer. D. Cumulative compound motor. 108. Which speed control method is used in food mixture motors? Answer. C. High alloy seat. 113. How to obtain opposite polarity in adjacent poles of a 4-pole DC motor? Answer. D. Making current flow in a different direction. 14. What is the operation in the rewinding process? Answer. C. Removing of wedges. 115. Which insulating material is used in winding is a highly non-hygroscopic and possess good electrical strength? Answer. C. Millinex paper. 116. Which type of armature winding is illustrated? Answer. C. Progressive lap winding. 117. Calculate the average pitch for retrogressive wave winding. If number of armature conductors equal to 14, number of slots equal to 7, number of poles equal to 2. Answer B 6. 118. Which type of test is illustrated for the armature after rewound? Answer B. Shorted coil test. 119. Why the newly rewound armature must be preheated before varnishing? Answer A. Drive out the moisture from it. 120. How the direction of rotation of a DC compound motor is changed? Answer A. By changing the direction of armature current. 121. What is the effect in a DC shunt motor if its supply terminals are interchanged? Answer C. Runs in the same direction. 122. What is the speed if field winding of a DC shunt motor is in open circuit? Answer D. Runs in very high speed. 123. What is the reason for reduction in speed of a DC shunt motor from no load to full load? Answer C. Armature voltage drop increases. 124. Which winding fault is determined by the test? Answer A. Open coil fault. 125. What is the formula to calculate the slip speed of three-phase squirrel cage induction motor? Answer A. N slip equal to Ns minus Nr. 126. What is the type of control circuit? Answer A. Inching control. 127. Which formula is used to calculate the total electrical degree in stator of an AC motor? Answer D. Total electrical degree equal to 180 degree into number of poles. 128. What is the name of the AC motor starter? Answer B. Auto transformer starter. 129. What is the formula to find synchronous speed of a AC three-phase induction motor? Answer A. Synchronous speed equal to 120F divided by P. 130. What is the fuse rate to run a 10 HP three-phase induction motor at full load? Answer 25 ampere. 131. What is the name of the contact? Marked as X. Answer C. Auxiliary contact. 132. What is the type of AC motor stator winding? Answer A. Single layer basket winding. 133. Which formula is used to calculate percentage slip of an AC three-phase induction motor? Answer A. Ns minus Nr divided by Ns into 100. 134. Which operation the control circuit is used? Answer B. Inching. 135. What is the phase displacement between windings in three-phase motor? Answer B. 120 degree centigrade. 136. What is the name of the part? Marked as X. Answer D. Slip rings. 137. What is the name of AC coil winding? Answer B. Whole coil winding. 138. What is the name of the coil winding? Answer D. Diamond mesh shaped coil winding. 139. Which speed is called as synchronous speed in three-phase induction motor? Answer C. Rotating magnetic field speed. 140. What is the name of the starter symbol? Answer B. Auto transformer starter. 141. Name the part marked as X of the winding machine. Answer A. Mandrel. 142. What is the electrical degree of 6-pole stator of motor? Answer C. 1080 degree. 143. Calculate the number of coils per phase per pair of poles of three-phase motor having 2-pole 24 slots 12 coils. Answer D. 4. 144. What is the name of the starter symbol? Answer A. Star delta starter. 145. What is the formula to calculate pitch factor? Answer B. Pitch factor equal to winding pitch divided by pole pitch. 146. How pole pitch is measured in terms of slots in AC winding? Answer C. Number of slots in the stator divided by number of poles. 147. What is the formula to calculate the mean circumference of the coil? Answer B. L mean equal to L in plus L out divided by 2 centimeters. 148. What is the synchronous speed of a AC 3-phase induction motor having 6 poles at a frequency of 50 Hz? Answer B. 1000 RPM. 149. Calculate the percentage slip in a 3-phase induction motor having 6 poles with a frequency of 50 Hz rotating with actual speed of 960 RPM. Answer C. 4%. 150. What is the rotor frequency of a 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor at the time of starting? Answer A. Equal to supply frequency. Question number 151. How the voltage is received in the rotor of induction motor? Answer D. By the transformer action of stator and rotor. 152. Which method is applied to control the speed of 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor from its rotor side? Answer A. Cascade operation. 153. Which loss of 3-phase induction motor is determined by blocked rotor test? Answer A. Copper loss. 154. Why preheating is necessary for motors before varnishing in a rewinding process? Answer D. To drive out the moisture in between winding layers. 155. Which type of test is conducted using internal growler in AC motor winding? Answer D. Short circuit test. 156. Which device is used to test starter winding short and open fault? Answer B. Internal growler. 157. What is the purpose of using thermal cutout in addition to fuse in AC motor circuit? Answer C. Allow for continuous overloading. 158. Which type of motor is used to provide high starting torque at variable speed? Answer C. 3-phase slip ring induction motor. 159. What is the relation between torque and slip in an AC induction motor? Answer B. Slip increases, torque increases. 160. What is effect of AC induction motor if rotor bar is in open circuit? Answer D. Overheating of motor. 161. Which type of wire is used for rewinding of AC three-phase motors? Answer A. Super enameled copper wire. 162. Which material is used as wedges in winding process? Answer C. Bamboo. 163. Which test in winding is essential before giving supply? Answer B. Polarity test. 164. Why the rotor bars are mounted in a slightly skewed position in three-phase motor? Answer D. Produce more uniform rotor field and torque. 165. Which loss is determined by no load test of three-phase induction motor? Answer A. Iron loss. 166. Which method of speed control? Two variable speeds only obtained in three-phase motor. Answer D. By changing the number of stator poles. 167. Why slip ring induction motor is fitted with wound rotor? Answer D. To get high starting and running torque. 168. What is the function of timer in automatic star delta starter? Answer C. Change from star to delta. 169. Which instrument is used to measure insulation resistance of a three-phase induction motor? Answer A. Megger. 170. Which test in winding is illustrated? Answer A. Polarity test. 171. What is the starting current of an AC three-phase induction motor? Answer D. 5 to 6 times of full load current. 172. Which method is used to control the speed of three-phase induction motor from stator side? Answer D. By changing the applied frequency. 173. What is the speed control method of three-phase induction motor? Answer A. Cascade operation method. 174. 4. What are the two functional circuits incorporated with a three-phase motor starter? Answer D. Control circuit and power circuit. 176. Which type of insulating material is selected for binding the coils and overhangs? Answer C. Terylene thread. 177. Which insulation is used for cuffing in AC winding? Answer D. Fabric based adhesive tape. 178. What refers coil in AC winding? Answer A. Number of turns connected in series. 179. Which type of AC winding the number of coil, bar pole, bar phase is more than 1 at different pitches? Answer D. Flat loop non-overlapped winding. 180. Calculate the number of coils per phase per pole for a three-phase double layer distributed winding for a motor having 36 slots, 36 coils and 4 poles. Answer A. 3 coils per phase per pole. 181. What is the type of rewinding process? Answer A. Hand winding. 182. Which type of starter is used to start and run the three-phase slip ring induction motor? Answer B. Rotor rheostat starter. 183. What is the function of collar? Answer A. Provide insulation around field. 184. Which type of winding wire is used to wind submersible pump motors? Answer A. PVC covered type. 185. What is the reason for long cord winding is avoided in AC motors? Answer C. More winding wire required. 186. Which type of winding has more space for cooling? Answer C. Between overhanging coils and yoke. 187. Where the panel boards are used? Answer C. Three-phase domestic wiring. 188. Determine the torque in Newton meters produced by a 7.5 HP squirrel cage motor rotating at 1440 RPM. Answer D. 36.6 Newton meter. 189. Which type of handle design of rotary switch is illustrated? Answer C. Coin slot. 190. What is the purpose of using rotor resistance starter? To start 3-phase slip ring induction motor. Answer C. Increase the torque. 191. Which method of speed control is only applicable for 3-phase slip ring induction motor? Answer B. Rotor rheostat speed control. 192. What is the name of the winding? Answer A. Skew winding. 193. What is the name of 3-phase motor winding if the coil pitch is less than pole pitch? Answer D. Short corded winding. 194. Which is the demerit of 3-phase concentric winding? Answer B. A stepped former is required. 195. What is the name of the diagram used for 3-phase motor winding? Answer A. Ring diagram. 196. Calculate the phase displacement in terms of slots for a 3-phase 36 slots 12 coils 4-pole stator winding. Answer C. 6 slots. 197. Which type of AC motor winding having the number of coil per pole per phase is more than 1 arranged in different slots? Answer C. Distributed winding. 198. Which type of testing of winding is illustrated? Answer B. Resistance test. 199. Why external resistance is included in the rotor circuit at starting through 3-phase slip ring induction motor starter? Answer B. To get high starting torque. 200. What is the effect of motor if the rotor windings in slip ring induction motor is open circuited at starting? Answer A. Will not run. Thank you for watching full video.